It takes 90 seconds to make people actually want to be in your meeting. People are jumping from meeting to meeting. They need some ability to actually land, to warm up to whatever it is you're trying to say. One of my favorite techniques is sketch your neighbor. Here's what you do. You give everybody a piece of paper and tell them to sketch the person across from them. Then, after 30 seconds, they pass that sketch to the person sitting next to them and have them sketch the same subject. After 30 seconds, the same thing takes place and they get passed off to the next person. After 90 seconds, everybody has a cool portrait of themselves with the blame of a bad drawing potentially distributed across 3 people. So, nobody gets blamed for drawing the boss too badly. It gives them something to take home after the meeting. It also gives you a cool artifact where if you're going to share this in a presentation, then you have a sketch of all the participants and everybody has a sense of having contributed to something creative and fun. You never want this to actually be the focus of the meeting, but it does open people up to what it is that you have to say, and it gives you that artifact at the end that shows that you're contributing something creative to the culture at your organization.